Hey guys, it's Carlos from the HID factory, and today we have a Ford F250. So on this vehicle, like I said, we're trying to do the housings. We're selling the complete housings together. On this one, the customer wanted a blacked out with halo rings built in and an HID projector lens. So on this vehicle, we did the projector, we did the HID, we did the fogs, LED, and then we did in-grill bar light. The customer supplied us with the grill, we just got the bar light for him. So let me go ahead and turn that on. So as you can see, we got the most light out that we could. The bar helps, the LED lights help, and then again our HID too. And then if you want to come over to this side, on these Fords, the F250s, the F150 series, we're able to get the illuminated side markers. With those, again, we can do, they do come in color shift, but again, customer wanted the white one, so that's what we went with. And also with this vehicle, he wanted to go ahead and upgrade to the LED tail lights. So we got him, and as always, we got the LED license plate lights, because if you're doing LED everywhere else, might as well get everything done. Cargo light also LED up there. And something new we have for this customer, if you wanted the panel lit up. So we have the Super Duty kick panels. This one is a blue. And again, we did LED interior lighting, just when you're trying to find stuff inside your car, the map light, the rear light. You're good to go. And again, guys, we specialize in just custom projects, custom builds that you want to do with your vehicle. Again, if you have any questions, you want to come up here over the phone, we can help you all out. Just go over your build, see what your expectations are and what you want to do with your vehicle. And again, it's not just vehicles, we go over this, it's boats, ATVs, cars, golf carts, really whatever you need. We even do, if you want to do some home, like Christmas lighting. I mean, we're lighting experts, guys. And yeah, any other questions you have, you can call us to the shop. We're located in Houston, or you can see us online at thehidfactory.com. Thank you again, guys.